Okay, in this video I'm going to step you through installing the Ricoh copier machine printers on the Windows 7 machines with the drivers on my thumb drive. You're going to come down here to Start. You're going to go to Devices and Printers. From there you're going to click on Add a Printer. We're going to add a network wireless Bluetooth printer, and it was not listed. So I'm going to click on the one that is not listed, and I'm going to add a printer using the TCP address or host name, and then I'm going to click on the next screen. I'm going to uncheck this query the printer and automatically select the driver. I need to type in the IP addresses. So the first one that I'm going to give you is the high school library IP address, and it is 10.17.42.242. And I'm going to hit next. And then you're going to say from have disk to find the driver. You're going to browse to find it. So to get to the thumb drive, you're going to click on your My Computer, find the Transcend thumb drive, and you are going to click on the Ricoh 4002 driver high school library copier. You're going to click on that, and you're going to double click on disk 1, and you're going to pick that OEM setup, and you're going to say open. And then you're going to click OK. Then from this list you have to go down and find Ricoh. So we're going to select the manufacturer on the left side, and we are going to select, I believe it's this 4002 PLC on the right side, and you're going to click Next. And this is where the printer name, it's easier if you would add Ricoh High School Office, or a High School Library, sorry. And then you hit Next. And there you can print a test page and click Finish. That is the short video of installing the high school library Ricoh printer to a Windows 7 machine.